friends, it's me, Miss Angie. How are you? And thank you for joining me. Today I have a game that we're going to play together. This is called Pop the Pig, and this is by Goliath. What do you think this game is about? Do you think it's about going to the post office?
No.
No. Do you think it's about making pizzas?
No.
No. Do you think it's about hamburgers and feeding them to the pig?
Yes.
Yes. Let's play together and find out more. Okay, so let's get the game set up. We open it, and here we have the pig. This pig likes to eat hamburgers. So with hamburgers, we're going to feed to the pig. Okay, so in here, I have some hamburgers, and each hamburger has a color and a number on the back. The number on the hamburger, we press the pig's head that amount of times. When the pig's belly pops open, that means the game is over. Are you ready to play?
Yes.
Let's get started. Okay, this is Pop the Pig. So we're going to reach into our box and we'll pick a hamburger to feed to the pig. Can you say, time to pick a hamburger, please?
Time to pick a hamburger, please.
Good job. I will pick a hamburger. Here is the yellow hamburger. Let's see what number we got. We got the number 3. That's the amount of times that we'll press his head. Okay, let's feed it to the pig and pump his head 3 times. 1, 2, 3.
3.
Did his belly pop?
No.
No. Let's keep going. Now, since we're talking about hamburgers, we're gonna name the items that we can put in a hamburger. Okay, before we go to the next one, can you name one thing that you can put in a hamburger? What about the bun? The bun is needed for the hamburger. Okay, let's grab another hamburger. This hamburger is the color purple, and here is the number 3. So we're going to pump his head 3 times. Can you say, put the purple number 3 in the pig?
Put the purple number 3 in the pig.
Good job. And he eats it. Yum, 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 yum. 1, 2, 3.
3.
Did his belly pop?
No.
No. Let's grab another one. Can you name another item that goes in a hamburger? What about, the beef patty? Yes, the beef patty is needed in a hamburger. Good job. Okay, here we got another yellow hamburger, and this one has the number 2 on the back. Can you say, time to feed the yellow burger to the pig?
Time to feed the yellow burger to the pig.
Good job. Yum, 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 yum. And let's do 2 pumps. 1, 2.
2.
He didn't pop. Let's keep going. What's another item that you can find in a hamburger? Does a hamburger have a piece of paper?
No.
No. Does a hamburger have some mayonnaise?
Yes.
Yes. Mayonnaise is another item that can go in a hamburger. And here we got the red hamburger with the number 3 on the back. Can you say, time to eat the hamburger?
Time to eat the hamburger.
Good job. 1, 2,
2,
3.
3.
Now, let's get another hamburger. He didn't pop. Let's see, what's another item that goes in a hamburger? What about cheese? Cheese can go in a hamburger. Here we got a purple burger, and this purple burger has the number 3. Can you say, time to eat the purple number 3?
Time to eat the purple number 3.
Good job. Yum, 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 yum. 1, 2, 3.
3.
Did he pop?
No.
No. Okay, let's keep going. What's another item that you can find in a hamburger? What about lettuce? Lettuce is another item. Good job. Okay, here we got a purple a red hamburger. And this red hamburger has the number 4 on the back. Can you say, time to eat the red hamburger?
Time to eat the red hamburger.
Good job. Yum, 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 yum. 1, 2,
2,
3,
3,
4.
4.
Did it pop?
No.
No. Can you name another item that goes in a hamburger? Maybe some tomato. Tomato can go in a hamburger. Okay, I picked another burger for the pig. This one is the color
Yellow.
yellow, that's right. And it has a number 3 on the back. Can you say, time to eat the number 3 yellow burger?
Time to eat the number 3 yellow burger.
Good job. Yum, 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 yum. Now let's pump his head. 1, 2,
2,
3.
3.
Any pop?
No.
No. Let's grab another one from inside the box. Can you name another item that goes on a hamburger? Maybe some onion. Onion can go in a hamburger. Good job. Here we have a green hamburger, and this green hamburger has a number 1. Can you say, time to feed the green burger to the pig?
Time to feed the green burger to the pig.
Good job. Yum, 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 yum. 1 pump.
1.
He hasn't popped yet. Let's keep going. What's another item that can go in a hamburger? Can mushroom? Mushroom can go in a hamburger. Yeah. Okay, here we got a yellow burger with the number 4 in the back. Can you say, feed the pig a yellow hamburger?
Feed the pig a yellow hamburger.
Good job. Yum, 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 yum. Now we pump his head. 1, 2, 3, 4.
4.
His belly's getting full, but did it pop open?
No.
No, not yet. Let's get another burger. What's another item that can go in a hamburger? Do you think pickles?
Yes, pickles.
Yes, pickles can go in a hamburger. Okay, here's a red hamburger. And on the back, it's a number 4. Can we say, feed the pig a red hamburger?
Feed the pig a red hamburger.
Good job. Yum, 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 yum. 1, 2,
2,
3,
3,
4.
4.
His belly is getting nice and plump, but he hasn't popped open yet. Let's keep going. What's another item that you can put in a hamburger? Can you put a backpack in a hamburger?
No.
No, that's silly. Can you put, some mustard?
Yes.
Yes, you can put some mustard in a hamburger. Here we got a green hamburger, and on the back is the number 3. Can you say, time to feed the pig a green hamburger?
Time to feed the pig a green hamburger.
Good job. Okay, and we put it in. Yum, 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 yum. 1, 2, 3.
3.
He popped open! Thank you for playing the game with me and saying your sentences and naming items from a hamburger. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Close it up.